cousins doing today? Good. You guys, I have had one heck of a day. And yes, cuz MRS.T finna tell you all about it. So, first of all, before I start this video off, I would like to thank all of my subscribers. Thanks for the new ones. Thanks for the old ones. And thanks just for riding with me, making that choice. You guys, shout out to Jeremy. And shout out to Q. Yes, they both showed hospitality today. Over at Burger King at 26640 Gratiot. Over there by 696. So if you're traveling in that area and you feel hungry, go check them out. They're very clean and they are very hard workers. So shout out to you, Jeremy. But one thing I want you to know, they done messed up again. But I definitely understand why. Because you guys are over there working hard. Over there working hard. And we tried this not once, but twice. So, what we're going to do is your girl. Okay, cool. I'm going to have to work with it, you guys. But anyway, for all you don't know, your girl don't eat Miracle Whip. Okay? So, they messed up on my sandwich. The first one should have been a double. This one should have been a double. And it wasn't. So, what your girl gonna have to do is she's gonna have to work this sandwich out, you guys. So, with that being said, let's go and work it out on camera. So, what we have is the number 6. No, we have the number 5, which should have been a number 6 meal, which is the double Whopper with the fries and the drink. And so, with the first Whopper, it should have been a double Whopper. And it was a single Whopper. So your girl was going to start a video and do it. But, you know, like I say, you guys, I prefer no Miracle Whip. Not a Miracle Whip either. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take this patty off. Make sure I don't have no Miracle. Okay. So it don't have any meal on it. And so your girl is going to bring this patty over here. Yes. And she's going to bring the pickles if she can. I'm going to bring these pickles off here. Bear with me, you guys. I know you said, well, hurry up. Let's see you take the first bite. I reckon the tomatoes. You know, this happened to me before, but not at that Burger King. Okay, so the rest of it we're going to have to discard. Wait 1 minute, you guys. We're going to have to discard that. Because your girl is not going to do it. Let's put this drink down. Let's put in some nuggets over here. Let's put this over here. Barbecue sauce. And yeah. There we go. So we made us a burger, a double burger ourselves. Well, that took a lot. That took a lot. You guys, sometimes you have to laugh to stop from getting upset. Because I started this video and I had to close it. Because my sandwich wasn't right. My sandwich just wasn't right. They didn't have the sandwich right. But anyway, your girl gonna work with what she got. So we got some barbecue sauce. And like I say, shout out to Jeremy. He tried. But I imagine you guys work hard. So, who am I to keep complaining? You tried to right or wrong, and it didn't work out. And it's okay. So, You guys, let me get you some nuggets. So, yeah, so... I had to film late. The first the first drink was tea, unsweetened tea. I said, ooh, I love my sweet tea, but Burger King only sells unsweetened tea. But my drink should have been a Coke. So your girl had to drive all the way back. I was like, you know what? I can't. So you guys, make sure you check out the video. I hope it don't offend anyone. I was having fun with my daughter. Now, I guess that's a double whopper right there. Jeremy, see, I told you I was going to work it out. Told you I was going to work it out. The girl over here, she's going to work it out. I don't know why. My fries. Then with something hotter than the others. I don't know why, but I don't care for no fries. So, yeah. So, the video where me and my daughter was having fun, that link will be in the description. And, yeah, you guys get ready so you can open up your mouth wide. Go ahead, get you a big bite. I don't know why. But I am not keen on French fries. I'm not keen on French fries. I'm not keen on, and when I say keen, that means I'm not fond of. On a single patty. But as you see, I worked the situation out, so it is what it is. I'm good. Because I'm sure if I contact them, well, I did contact them. Let me take that back. I did contact them. And they wrote they right. Well, you know, they wrote they wrong to right. And it still turned out wrong. But your girl took both burgers and she worked it out. So, we cool. Let me tell you. This was when I was married, you guys. Like I said, I'm a picky eater. Especially when it comes to Miracle Whip or mayonnaise or certain creamy stuff. And one day my husband was going to get us something to eat. Ex-husband, you know, throw it in the air. And he went to Burger King. Now this Burger King was located on the east side, right off of 7 Mile. I'll drive it. Well, yeah, I'll drive. Yeah, okay. And, right when he got back to the house, because he eat Miracle Whip, and my daughter do, right he get back to the house, and my son had mayonnaise on it, or Miracle Whip, or whatever they use. Now, you know what your girl did, right? We're going to pack all this up. They was in the middle eating. They couldn't believe me. I said, oh, we going back. You will not eat around me and I can't eat. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's something that, I don't know. I just cannot get with it. I just could not get rid of it. I told him, I said, y'all can forget that. You won't eat around me. They couldn't believe it. So we carried it back up to Burger King. And the man said, no, I don't want the food. And he wrote that wrong. You know that right. Because they got the order wrong. And that's the reason why I said I wasn't going to go back. After I discovered they had messed up again. Because I don't know who pays for it. But, you know, I'm not one that try to ride off restaurants, you know. I actually did the order back with me, but I left it in the car. Even though the man told me on the phone I didn't have to bring it. I brought it anywhere. Just in case I spoke to somebody else different. When we looked up, we had three or more Whoppers. Now it was me, my baby girl, and my husband. They had like 6 Whoppers. Them two there. Because they messed up on the order that many didn't go on time. And I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe it. Me, myself, only had one. Because like I say, I don't eat Miracle Whip. But they wouldn't take the sandwiches back. So they were so happy. They were so happy. And what I liked it about the fact that I was the one that wanted the Whopper, and I explained to him that the Whopper was messed up. He still gave me a complete order. So my daughter wound up with her another Whopper. I want to say the junior meal. I don't know. But, you know, that's why I said shout out to Jeremy, because he wrote that. He corrected that issue. Mm. Happy every day. Why is so late till you can't eat it all? I think that's what I'm falling into, y'all. Yes. But it's good, though. But I'm so glad the mail did not reach. My bread a little soggy, but that's okay. We're going to break that on off. Mm. Mm-hmm. Go ahead, y'all. Food was freshly hot. Yeah, we're not gonna worry about this. We made it work. I still came out with me a double. Yes, I did. Here, you guys want another bite? I did it from back in. I have to say. You guys. Like I say, thank you. If you haven't joined this family, please go over to the corner, hit the subscribe, hit the notification, so you can get a load up. You'll know when I load up on my next video. But most definitely, please share this video, thumbs it up. Leave a comment below so I know that you've been here. I mean, everything over there is fresh. Whew. Mama is getting full. Y'all, that's the last bite. Give y'all your last bite. Take you a bite. Because the girl is full. She can't do no more. But like I said, shout out to you, Jeremy. Q, for your hospitality. And continue the good work that you guys are doing over there. And you stay in school, Q. Yes, I have said you stay in school. And Jeremy, if you're watching, you make sure you let him know I said stay in school. School is the best way to go. So until then, you guys, bye.